In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove dust spots in Luminar Neo. If you've ever noticed faint, round, murky dots scattered across skies or bright backgrounds in your photos, that's usually sensor or lens dust. The good news is Luminar Neo makes cleaning those up quick and reliable, so your images look polished without hours of retouching. Start by opening Luminar Neo and loading the photo you want to clean. Once your image is on screen, switch into the editing workspace by clicking the edit button at the top, or simply press the E key on your keyboard. This takes you out of the catalog view and into the full set of editing tools designed for corrective work. On the right-hand panel, look for the Essentials section and open the Erase tool. This is where Luminar Neo groups its cleanup features, and tucked right inside the Erase tool, you'll find a dedicated control called Remove Dust Spots. It's purpose-built to hunt down those tiny circular blemishes that come from particles on your camera sensor or from debris that slipped onto your lens. Click Remove Dust Spots and let the software do the heavy lifting. Luminar Neo will automatically scan your image, identify likely dust marks, and remove them in one pass. You may see a brief processing indicator while it analyzes the photo. This automated approach saves time and tends to be especially accurate on large uniform areas, like a clear blue sky or a bright studio backdrop. When the processing finishes, it's time to review the results carefully. Zoom in to 100% for a true-to-pixel view so you can judge the cleanup accurately. Start by examining skies, clouds, and any bright, even surfaces, because dust shows up most clearly there. Pan across the frame from corner to corner, then sweep back through the center. Take your time around smooth gradients and near the edges of the sky where subtle spots can hide. If your photo has a bright wall, snowy field, or a high-key background, give those areas a close look as well. What you're aiming for is a natural, consistent texture with no repeating circles, halos, or faint smudges. If something still looks off, it may be a subject detail rather than dust, or an irregular mark that doesn't match the typical round dust pattern. The key is to confirm that the automatic pass handled the obvious sensor and lens specs, especially in wide, bright regions. And that's it. By opening your photo, heading into Edit, navigating to Essentials and Erase, pressing Remove Dust Spots, and reviewing at 100%, you'll keep your images crisp, clean, and ready for the rest of your creative edits.